Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start a trip in the Magica application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on this little car button at the bottom of the page on the left. And at the very top you can see the blue button, and next to it the text to start the trip. So if you are ready, just click on the blue button. And as you can see, it started to count. So you will see the distance you have made, the time that is passed, and your current speed. And you can just stop it whenever you want to. Just click on the red button, and you can either just stop your trip and then later continue it, or you can stop and delete your trip as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.